used to it towards the end.
You want
That was
to do
brilliant.
it again?
My hand's sore.
You want to do it again?
Your hand sore? In there?
I'm doing the breaks.
Alright, yeah.
That feels like
I think I break most of the week.
a soda.
Yeah, that was brilliant. But well done Aidan for doing that, and well done you.
Why?
Yeah, it's a lot more, there's a lot more to it than you see in the video.
Yep.
In the video, I think probably because you're on a level with him, it makes it look more level than it is.
Yep.
But yeah,
Right, do you want to go again?
fantastic. No, I think that's enough for grannies, but you go again.
No, we'll go down to the bottom now,
I'm
over the bridge.
happy for you to go up and do
We're
it
on
again.
the bridge.
Hmm?
It's a lot rougher than the next stuff.
Is it?
That's just smooth stuff over. That's hard pack.
Alright, but as in bumpy road or bendy?
Both.
The bends, right. The bends was a bit where I was quite nervous thinking this is where I come off, this is where my wheel hits my toe, I kept pushing it back a bit.
Just
That was
fine.
That was good, I enjoyed that.
Right, shall we head down? So we're going up the, see the blue arrow
So
in
is
the...
that the green one, is that what,
No, that's a blue.
that's a blue?
I would... Don't do green.
Right, so that's not what Donald and Carol would have come down.
They done the green, did they?
I thought they did the green, but they said they walked down most of it. Because it was too steep. Yeah. Maybe they got confused and did the blue instead. I don't know. I really enjoyed that. That was brilliant.
It's nice
Sorry,
that
I
you
stopped and do this because it's just something.
No, we're going to do that on
I said it didn't
Monday.
matter. He was very nice about it. I said, I'm stopping you. He said, no, it doesn't matter.
Do you want to go again? I want to go
No,
again.
we're going to go down to the bottom. And then...
I don't mind if you want to do it
No.
again. How's your time?
I don't know what time is it.
I'm not bothered about time. Do it again
It's
with you
not
and then we can go.